Welcome to Animals Kids channel. Hello kids! Waving hand welcome to the farm. Do you know who lives here? Horse face, cow face, you. Let's meet the animals one by one. They will tell us their names, sounds, and what they do. Are you ready? Yay! Let's go! Moo moo. I am a cow. I give you milk. My favorite food is green grass. Hee-haw! I am a donkey. I am very strong and help carry heavy things. Hello kids! I am a horse. I can run very fast, neigh neigh. I love to eat grass. Ba ba. I am a sheep. I give you soft wool. My baby is called a lamb. Oink oink. I am a pig. I like to play in the mud. My babies are piglets. Mama. I am a goat. I love to eat leaves. My babies are called kids. Hop hop. I am a rabbit. I have long ears and love to eat carrots. Baby rabbits are called bunnies. Cluck cluck. I am a hen. I give you yummy eggs. My babies are chicks. Cock-a-doodle-doo. I am the rooster. I wake everyone up in the morning.